there, I'm Jamie Helm, a certified mechanic with over 25 years of experience under the hood. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make or break your vehicle's performance: selecting the right spark plug. Now, I know spark plugs might seem like a small part, but trust me, picking the wrong one can lead to misfires, poor fuel economy, and even engine damage. I've seen plenty of mistakes over the years, like choosing the wrong metallurgy, whether it's copper, platinum, or iridium. And a big misstep, going for a plug that isn't OE benchmarked, meaning it doesn't match the exact fit, form, and function your vehicle was designed for. For example, using a plug with the wrong heat range, too hot or too cold for your engine, or one with incorrect gap and spark projection can cause poor sealing and serious issues down the line. The bottom line, the right spark plug, especially the one that's OE benchmark, ensures top-notch performance and efficiency. That's why I always recommend Bosch. Original equipment quality at an aftermarket price. Let's break down how to make the best choice for your ride. First things first, you've got to match the spark plug to your vehicle's manufacturer specs. Your car's manual will list details like spark gap, whether you need a resistor or non-resistor plug, and terminal type. Don't guess. Check the manual or use online resources to confirm the right fit. I always pull up the specs before touching a plug. Next, let's talk materials. The spark plug types are nickel with copper, platinum, double platinum, and iridium, and each has its place. Nickel with copper is affordable with great conductivity, perfect for older or low performance engines, but they wear out faster. Think 20 to 30,000 miles. Single platinum, or platinum as some call this type, is a great value spark plug. They can be an upgrade from nickel with copper and OE match in older vehicles, or as an acceptable low price alternative on older, naturally aspirated vehicles that may have come with iridium as OE. Double platinum offers better durability, lasting up to 100,000 miles, and works great in modern vehicles. Then there's iridium, the top dog. It's tougher, lasts even longer, sometimes up to 100,000 miles, and delivers exceptional ignition for high-performance rides. Iridium is the plug of choice for most new vehicles due to the harsh combustion conditions in today's downsized GDI and turbocharged engines. With Bosch, you've got options across all these types, so whether if you're going standard or premium, you're covered. How you drive matters too. Daily commuting is different from performance driving. Harsh climates or rough conditions can wear plugs out faster, shortening service intervals. And if you've got an older vehicle, you might need something specific like copper for high compression setups. I always factor in the environment and driving style when picking a plug. Finally, know your engine. High compression or turbocharged engines often need a colder heat range to handle the extra stress. Naturally aspirated engines might need something different. Modern engines, especially with direct injection, demand advanced plugs with precise designs, something Bosch excels at with their OE technology. So here's how I decide. I start checking the manufacturer's spec in the manual. Then I cross-reference with a trusted catalog like Bosch's to match the engine's type and driving needs. I'm looking at the heat range, material, say iridium for longevity, and ensuring that it's OE benchmark for a perfect fit and function. Once I've got the right part number, I'm confident it'll perform. It's all about taking the time to double check before installation. To wrap it up, remember these key points. Match your vehicle's specs. Choose the right material for your needs. Consider how and where you drive. And know your engine's requirements. With Bosch, you've got a comprehensive range for every application. Copper for the classics, platinum for reliability, and iridium for cutting-edge performance. Plus, their OE benchmark designs mean you're getting factory-level quality every time. I've trusted Bosch for years, and I'm sure their products would be right for your vehicle too. Make sure you stay on top of your maintenance to keep your engine running smooth.